Welcome to today's COVID-19 update. We're speaking with the Honorable Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony.
On today's update, the Health Minister addresses rising COVID-19 cases due to the Delta variant.
So over the last 24 hours, we would have done about 2,205 tests, both antigen and PCR tests, and we detected 290 persons who have tested positive. Although that would now take our active cases up, so we have now 2,646 cases that are currently active. Of those that are currently active, we have 125 right now in hospitals, with 92 of those in the Ocean View facility. And of those 92, we have 37 who are in the ICU.
Minister Anthony says if persons are not taking adequate precautions, they are putting both themselves and others at further risk of contracting COVID-19.
With Delta variant, it's more transmissible. So if people are not taking the precautions and they're exposed to infected persons, they are going to get the virus. Now, some people might get it mildly, some others might have moderate form of the disease, and there are those persons who would have the severe form of the disease. So if you get the severe form of the disease, it would require hospitalization and possibly you would have to come into the ICU. Again, we have seen the numbers in hospital go up. We have seen the ICU patients going up. We know this happens with the Delta variant, and that's why we've been urging people to be very cautious and take precautions. Vaccines would help to prevent severe disease, and we have been saying that over and over again. And just to reinforce that point, over the last 24 hours, we had 3 deaths. All of the persons who have died over the last 24 hours, none of them was vaccinated.
Meanwhile, on the current vaccination campaign, Minister Anthony said Tuesday's vaccination number of 6,103 was the highest to date on a given day.
Yesterday, actually, I think we did very well in terms of our vaccination. In terms of the adult vaccination, the adult doses that we have given out, we did 2,507 first dose, and we did 916 second doses. We were able to do 2,678 of the Pfizer vaccine for children. So yesterday in total we had 6,103 persons who would have received a vaccine from us. Region 1 now, they're leading in terms of first dose. They're leading the whole country. Region 8 and 7 has not been doing as well as we would like them to do. 8 is still lagging behind. And while we appreciate the difficult terrain that they have to work in, I think the community leaders need to play a more active role in persuading and educating the people in some of the villages to get vaccinated. So in terms of first dose adults, we have now 325,095 persons who would have received a first dose of the vaccine. That's 63.4% of our adult population. And in terms of second dose, it's 170,125 persons who would have received a second dose of the vaccine. That now takes us up to about 33.2% of our adult population. And in terms of the children, we have now given out 15,241 doses of the Pfizer vaccine. That takes it up to about 20.9% of children within that age range.
Today's Mythbuster. Vitamin C is an effective treatment against COVID-19.
Vitamin C is not a treatment for COVID. People generally will use vitamins in an effort to improve their immune status, and I suppose vitamin C can be one of those vitamins that can be used. However, to treat COVID, there are specific um, medications that are available, and vitamin C is not one of them.
Well, that's it for today's COVID-19 update. Of course, we just spoke with the Honourable Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony. Remember, for more information, you can log on to our website, dpi.gov.gy, and the Ministry of Health's website as well, health.gov.gy, and of course, our social media platforms.